At this point, most of you must have started shortlisting universities, and if you haven't, then you should start now because applications for fall 2025 are going to open soon. I remember when I was applying for fall 2024 cycle, during this time around I had started shortlisting university, and it took me months to finalize the university that I wanted to apply to. And I believe this step is the most crucial step in your whole application cycle because you do not want to miss out on the best universities according to your profile, right? So I have created a list of top universities which are Indian friendly and job friendly. You should definitely check these universities out. These are the most famous universities among Indian students. If you have a GRE score between 308 and 320, then you should definitely consider applying to these universities. There are high chances that you will get an admit from these universities based on the fall 2022, 2023 and 2024 data. The universities that I am going to discuss are sorted on the basis of ranking from lowest rank to highest rank. First university is UT Arlington. Its national ranking is 236. Its tuition fees is $29,000, which is cheaper as compared to the other universities. And its most popular program is computer science program with a ranking of 96. And its acceptance rate is 80%. And it has decent job prospects considering large alumni network. Now coming to San Jose State University, I could not find its overall ranking, but according to US News, it ranks number 3 in public universities. Its tuition fees is $27,000 to $28,000 per year, and its most popular courses are Masters in Computer Science, Masters in Public Health, and Management courses. As for the job opportunities, there are plenty of job opportunities as SJSC is located in the Bay Area and it's very close to the Silicon Valley. So all the companies from Silicon Valley visit the campus and hire students. So most of the students in this university have multiple job offers before they graduate. As for the acceptance rate, its acceptance rate is 83%. It's quite a safe university, so you can consider applying to it. Another university is Arizona State University, whose ranking is 105. It is one of the most popular universities for Indian students. Its cost of living is cheaper as compared to big cities like California, LA, Boston, etc. Its fees is $31,000, and the most popular program for this university is computer science program with a ranking of 45, chemistry program with a ranking of 51, and biological science program with a ranking of 58. Its acceptance rate is 80%. It has really good job prospects as the tech sector in Phoenix is rapidly growing. Another university in our list is Rochester Institute of Technology. Its ranking is 98. It is an expensive school and it has a higher cost of living as it is located in New York. Its fees can range between $52,000 to $59,000, and the most popular program in this university is computer science program with a ranking of 70 and physics program with a ranking of 78. Its acceptance rate is 67%. Now since it's located in New York, there are ample of job opportunities for students. Next university is University of Texas, Dallas. Its ranking is 97. It is one of the most popular universities for Indian students. From fall 2024, UTD is accepting students with 9 CGPA or above. I don't know what will be the case this year, but for 2024, only the applicants with 9 CGPA or above were accepted into the university. It has a great Indian community and the cost of living and tuition is cheaper as compared to the other universities. Its tuition fees is $29,000, and the most popular program in this university are computer science program with a ranking of 64, earth science program with a ranking of 83, and physics program with a ranking of 89. Its acceptance rate is 80%. It has very great opportunities as Dallas is now home to significant number of high-paying tech roles. It is one of the most popular choices for Indian students. The fourth university in our list is New Jersey Institute of Technology. It has a ranking of 86. It is an okayish university to pursue your masters. If you have a really weak profile, then you can consider this university to be extremely safe, but you can skip it otherwise. Apart from this, its tuition fee is $35,000. NGIT is on a bit of expensive side. And as for the popular course, the most popular course in this university is computer science with a ranking of 86. Its acceptance rate is 90%. And as for the job opportunities, it has plenty of job opportunities because of its proximity to New York. Fifth university in our list is UC Riverside. Its national ranking is 82. It is one of the 10 schools in UC system, and getting into it is a bit competitive. And in fact, getting into any UC system school is competitive. They come into moderate to ambitious category. Apart from this, the most popular courses in this school are computer science with a ranking of 56 and earth science program with a ranking of 39. Its acceptance rate is 68%, and there are plenty of job opportunities in this school because of its location in California. Another most popular school among Indian students is UIC, University of Illinois Chicago. Its ranking is 82. Its cost of living is on the higher side here because it is located in Chicago. Its tuition fees is $30,000, and its most popular courses are biostatistics with a ranking of 28, math with a ranking of 43, and computer science with a ranking of 61. Its acceptance rate is 71%. And as for the job opportunities, it has very great job opportunities because of its location. It is located in Chicago, and Chicago is an IT hub. Another university in our list is Sunny Buffalo University. It is one of my favorite schools and a great school to pursue your masters in. It has the national ranking of 76 and a tuition fees of $30,700. And the most popular courses in this school are biostatistics with a ranking of 44, computer science with a ranking of 61. Its acceptance rate is 70%, and it has very good job opportunities as it is situated in New York. And there are many alumni who are placed in FANG and big tech companies. The next school in our list is Florida State University. It has a ranking of 53. It is a very reputed school, and it is quite selective. Its fees is $35,000, and the most popular courses are statistics with a ranking of 30, physics with a ranking of 50, and computer science with a ranking of 77. Its acceptance rate is 32%. Now, since it's Florida, there aren't many tech companies in general. So be prepared to travel to different cities for job hunt, and don't be afraid. There are many alumni from Florida State University who are placed in good companies, big tech companies, so they will help you out. And this school has a great reputation, so students from this school generally find jobs easily. Another great school in our list is Northeastern University with a ranking of 53. It is a very popular school among Indian students. It has many campuses, and the most popular one and the best one is the Boston campus, which is also the main campus. And the reason why this university is so famous is because of its co-op program, and its co-op program is what attracts the students the most. In the co-op program, you can alternate your academic and internship period. So for example, let's say you decide to do your academic period for the first semester, and the second semester you decide to pursue an internship. So due to this co-program, you can pursue an internship for a semester instead of going for an internship just in your summer breaks. So this is the reason why this university is so famous. It has a fees of $35,000, and the most popular courses in this university are computer science program with a ranking of 27, maths program with a ranking of 51, and physics program with a ranking of 55. Its acceptance rate is 60%. It has very great job opportunities as it is located in Boston, and as I said before, it is a tech hub. And Boston in general is a very great area to be in, though it is quite expensive. Your living expenses will skyrocket here. Like renting an apartment can easily cost you between $900 to $1,000 here. But at the end of the day, you can consider applying to this university as it is a great school to be in. So next university in our list is Ohio State University with a ranking of 43. Its tuition fees is $44,000. I know it's a bit expensive, so apply to it only if you can manage your expenses, your financials properly. Now this university comes under moderate to ambitious category since it is highly ranked and all of its courses are under top 30. It has an acceptance rate of 57% according to Google, but I think that the acceptance rate of this university is actually lower as it is quite competitive to get into this school. And for the job prospects, it is located in Columbia, Ohio, which is a hub for technological companies and startups. So you will easily gain access to ample of job opportunities for startups and internships and for full-time jobs. So apply to this university because first of all it is highly ranked, and second of all there are plenty of job opportunities for Indian students. Another most popular school in our list is New York University with a national ranking of 35. It is one of the most reputed school in USA. Getting into NYU is tough, it's quite competitive. You need a high quant score and a high CGPA, that is 9 plus CGPA, to get into this school. Its tuition fees is $52,000. It is quite an expensive school, and also the living cost in NYU in New York in general is quite expensive. This school comes under ambitious category. The most popular courses in NYU are computer science with a national ranking of 27, physics with a ranking of 28, and mathematics with a ranking of 8. The acceptance rate in NYU is 35%. And as for the job prospects, NYU has great job opportunities. New York is a technical hub and there are many internship opportunities. There are many startups, big tech companies, so you will easily find a job in New York City. Next university is UC Irvine. Its national ranking is 33. It is one of the 10 schools of UC systems. Its tuition fees is $34,000. This comes under moderate to ambitious category, and all the program in this university comes under top 30 programs. As for the acceptance rate, it has 21% acceptance rate. It is quite a selective school. And for job prospects, it is one of the best schools for the jobs because there are plenty of job opportunities due to its location, and career fairs in this school are really great. The last university in our list is University of Florida. Its national ranking is 28 and now it has become a public Ivy. It stands among top 5 universities, among top 5 public universities in USA. And I am attending this university for Masters in Computer Science program. The tuition fees for this university is $30,000 for CS program. It might vary for other programs. And also you get an achievement award if you are enrolled in Masters in Computer Science program. I don't know if it's the case for other programs as well, but for MS and CSC, you get a achievement award scholarship. Now in this offer, you get a partial tuition fee waiver of $1,500 a semester up to 3 semesters. So after getting this achievement award, your tuition fee will be approximately around $26,000 to $27,000 for a year. Okay. The most popular courses in University of Florida are biostatistics with a ranking of 21, statistics with a ranking of 26, chemistry with a ranking of 34, and computer science with a ranking of 45. Also, all of its courses, all of its programs are ranked among top 50 in USA. Acceptance rate for University of Florida is 30%. As for the job prospects, UF has one of the largest career fairs in the USA, and all the tech companies from tech giants to startups visit the campus. If you are looking for off-campus jobs, you will get them, but probably not in Florida itself, as there aren't many tech companies there. So you might need to travel to different cities for job interviews, but since most of the companies are now going for virtual interviews, I don't think so that you will face any problems. And moreover, all the graduates from University of Florida do find jobs, and most of them are placed in big tech companies like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, etc. This university comes into safe to moderate university, so do consider it for a master's application. So these were the 15 universities that you should consider while applying for a master's in USA. So the universities that I have discussed, among these 10 are the safe universities and 5 universities come under moderate to ambitious category. So this list is a perfect mixture of both safe, moderate and ambitious category university. And also I have listed all these universities in a Notion sheet, and I have attached the link below so that you can refer it in the future. Uh, my tip while applying for the universities is that apply to only those universities in which you will go after getting an admit from them. Do not apply to those university in which you won't go even you get an admit, okay? Because applying to these universities is expensive. Do not apply to more than 10 universities. I know students apply to like 20 universities, 15 universities. That is a total waste of money, okay? Just apply to 10 universities, and among those 10 universities you can keep like 5 safe universities, 3 moderate, and 2 ambitious universities. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. All the best for your application process. Bye bye.